Welcome back to Acid Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television when they inside the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195 every weekday. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 10 to 11. Not on Christmas because we they carry out the topic when they come out smoke inside the Nigerian politic arrangement. Drop them, make you carry long spoon. Chop from inside. As the only television station when Fiki goats to take you make pepper soup for you, we don't knock una with 3 telephone lines. Top them up with 1 toll-free line. Wait till be toll-free line. You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go they pay. Oga Obiora all the way from Yola, Oga Chile all the way from Port Harcourt, Oga Igor when they call us from Abuja. It be like say for some days now they never feel they connect us. I beg, represent your constituency, that is the state where you dey. How the government they take they spend money inside. I still there inside with Ogbonge investigative journalist Oga Yemi Olakiitan. I been asked one question before we go break. I beg, answer that question. How we as a people go fit the demand, say make our government they spend well. How we go take get society where we say people go talk say, after all, now 640 million. That one chop 100 million. Make we live up now small money. How we go get that kind of society?
You see, the thing can remind me of one book where Professor Wale Soyinka, where he write. He took column, the man died. We keep quiet in the face of tyranny. You see, the problem of this country remains when all of us
no talk,
when we no talk, when we no take action, when we no organize ourselves.
True.
Whether for local government, whether for state, because we suppose the demand for our right, they demand accountability, transparency, how government they take spend our money, make we know how then they spend our money. That's what we are supposed to do as citizens of this country. You know, and unless we do that, the situation will continue. Not be only President Buhari supposed to fight corruption. All of us go supposed to fight this corruption.
Make I bring this example enter for Jigawa State on the 22nd of July 2015. According to the governor Alhaji Mohammed Badaru Abubakar, we been here say the government won't do something for widows, people will not get husband. Waiting be that thing when they won't do. Then carry one big money, put them aside, say they won't buy 8,000 fertile goats. That is goat when we say if he born. So that the women then they go train the goat, come they sell the goat later to they make profit.
The goat go they produce.
The goat they produce. I won't ask you, say government supposed to be about priority. Say, waiting our people need first. Widows for our society, the way when our society don't they, then they find them difficult. Because even women when we say their husband house, things they hard, they can't be women when we say no get husband. But for government to dip money inside their pocket, to come spend for on top of goat, when women go they train, they feed until the goat can't get belly, come born.
No, look at like that. It depends on the money, the amount of money with them.
But that states the whole salary.
Wait, goats.
But that states the whole salary.
My brother, wait that they come. Goats, he get plenty. You know, look and where the way the state government they look.
But the state the whole salary. If you buy,
no, we do. No,
but the whole salary.
No.
Shey you think say na to just now?
Wait.
Shey na until you give widow goats, now you don't empower her. No, I won't know.
No.
Some of these women supposed to learn handwork. When they go they feed themselves.
Handwork.
You don't forget.
That one na farming now.
What if the goat sick? What if the goat gets miscarriage? You know they think all this kind of thing. No, they come from this angle. If you just decide, say, okay, make we give this woman fertile goat, come they look for the next 1 year, say the goat could don't born this, born that. What if something happened to the goat? What if people thief the goat?
Goats no be animal where they sick, no be like poultry. You understand?
Okay.
If you get goat for your house, you understand?
So if you be governor now, you go and you dey owe salary of up to 7 months. You go buy goat first.
How much they take buy goats now? Goat no cost.
8,000. If I call the money for you, you go shock. To buy 8,000. Okay, make we talk say you buy 8,000.
But me, I don't see anything wrong in buying goat for widow.
When you dey owe salary.
Because the milk of the widow serve. You know, see then they sell them.
Milk of the widow.
Of the goats. You know this and they sell them. The milk where they come for the goat go born. The widow go sell the children where the picking where the goat born. The meat of the goat serve now money for the widow. Then they empower their people.
But make we check.
You understand?
Oga Yemi, make we know.
I don't see anything bad.
Oga Yemi, make we check. If we check the population of Jigawa State, check the population of the civil service, check the population of the people when they owe. Now, no be say they talk say bad thing. Me I believe say Nigerian women are the strongest women wey dey this world.
Okay.
No be until we give Nigerian women goat. We don see Nigerian women from nothing, dem bring out something.
We know.
From zero to hero. You understand what I'm talking?
We dey talk about widow.
We go dey talk about goat for state wey be say you dey owe salary. Why you go give that widow wey the widow fit dey for civil service? You no pay her salary, you come dey give her goat. She no get anything to use, they take care. God, no be only grass goat dey chop.
Wait, Chugudi. The population of the people wey dey for civil service, if you look at civil service, it go be like say 20% of the population of a state. How many? Look at Lagos State. How many people dey work for civil service? You understand?
The problem is say why you come dey hold them several months.
I know.
You can't decide say na goat you want buy. Na priority we dey talk about.
Look, if dem get some money, they can't take. Let's say they get 100 million. I just use that figure for example. They can't take small money out of 100 million. Can't take buy goat. Where they go help how many thousands of widows? That one has something now because. Civil service is only about a little percentage out of the whole populace.
So now why
they don't go use all the money, pay salary, finish. You understand? You get some people wey no dey collect salary.
We get Tajudeen all the way from Ilorin. Ilorin na the capital of Kwara State.
Okay.
Oga Tajudeen, good morning, sir. Oga Tajudeen, good morning. Tajudeen. E be like say we don lose
we don't get am.
Oga Tajudeen on top of the line.
Now, you see, another point where I want to make is the issue of policing. You understand? That issue of policing, where state governor then get immunity, you know if you arrest them.
Make we take Oga Chris from Calabar.
Okay.
You go continue this your talk. Oga Chris, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chugudi.
Good morning, Oga Chris.
Good morning, Mr. Chugudi.
We dey hear you, Oga Chris.
Good morning, Mr. Yemi.
Thank you, Oga Chris. Good morning.
I want to put more for the one that they talk today, so.
Okay.
Oga Chugudi, when you talked about goats, say Jigawa State Governor buy goats to give widows. Now, see form of empowerment.
Thank you, Oga
They
Chris.
get different forms of you to empower person. Maybe until you say you give person my hairdresser, or you buy machine give women, or you buy anything give women. I'm missing an empowerment. So maybe that the way the governor see say, okay, maybe so make I use to empower this woman at this particular time.
Yeah.
With this. As far as say at the end of the day, those women go get something where they can help their family.
Exactly.
At least number one, it don't help them come out that suffer when it's supposed to suffer for their house. So in don't try your own way. But what about those when they get the money, they empower those widows them? How you go talk about that one?
Very important point. We dey hear you.
So secondly, say first of all use money bill
78.3 million.
17 million to
Website.
big borehole. Borehole and website. My brother, that one, even though you tell blind man no go believe that one. Now lie. In don't chop that money. Now lie.
But they talk say the state government, all the money when they break down here, they say the State House of Assembly approve am. You don't think say the state government, the State House of Assembly look and say,
Mr. Chugudi, monkey hand there inside that thing.
long one
Even the monkey hand there inside government, even the State House of Assembly, they don't say they beat to the government, to the governor tune. No. They say who pay the piper, they take the tune. Now what the governor talk, now they do. Make them forget those things. We be Nigeria, we don't big pass all this what they tell us, I beg.
Thank you very much, Oga Chris, all the way from Calabar. I forget to ask them whether the government of Cross River, they chook eye where. It be like say Calabar people dey vex where because we get Oga Paul all the way from Calabar again. Oga Paul, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Oga Paul, abeg reduce the volume of your television. Make the full Nigeria fit hear you.
My brother, good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning, my brother. It be like say Oga Paul never reduce am.
Oga Paul, we don't miss Oga Paul, and I know say wetin Oga Paul wan talk because the way when he take position himself,
he dey vex
be like say the talk dey vex am. Make we comot for the issue of goats because whether we like am or not, na move by the government to empower
To empower the people.
If we dey talk about priority, e get some things wey be say suppose come first before some other things.
Wetin suppose come?
Because me I just talk am say you dey owe workers for the state over 7 months salary. If these workers can't decide say because of dem wan survive, dem begin dey thief the goat nko, e don cause more problems. Oga Polycarp all the way from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukode.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Oga Yemi.
Thank you. Good morning.
If you like say wind don't blow now, and we don't see the answer of the foul.
Yeah.
When this thing they start, if you like say now only PDP, when they which one? Now I don't land for the most now.
Aha.
I remember the time where it was really for office. He built a brand new government house and they whipped it. So immediately this will take over. I hear say I'm actually clear the whole thing. Even school not remember that house. Now it don't land for the last one. Because when you say I'm the Shimon own, I don't know where they make money, where they for APC. So corruption there everywhere in Nigeria. Even I wouldn't say if they can allow them to go send the ICPC to the local government. For my own local government, I don't have to say the chairman there, whenever your wife won't born, they go and go US. Go born there. This man is riding one of these big cheap American G, what they call, I don't forget the name. But this is the type of respect this man they make. But outside, one of the things that a lot of government chairman, when they pay money, and it's always salary so they should put their specialize on the local government chairman also. Not only of the governors and the other top officials. And just like we talked before, whether about the difference between the ruling regime and the military regime, they will continue prodding before years pass. Even the Abacha youth where they carried so many years ago, they never bring them back. And now we talk about this. Let the first, if the SCPC and the EFCC to do that job, let them first other things. Let them constitute his government cabinet. And let this go happen and begin work. If we carry this for somebody told me say they carry police work for it. You carry go crush you. You carry for shoulder. So when they too much you go to the well. Thank you, you and God bless.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. Now very important point now you don't raise so.
Yes, so.
Say e be like say the way when our society don't dey now, we don't dey the level when we say things don't spoil. And we need to take the necessary action because if we just be like saying na one thing we dey do, we go dey waste time. We go back to Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. Collect this call from Oga Emmanuel. Oga Emmanuel, good morning, sir.
Good morning, no be Oga. This one na woman.
Hey. Now you say your name na Emanuela.
Na Emma.
Emma, no vex. We dey hear you, Madam Emma.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Emma.
Now this Jigawa State governor where they buy goods for person, now he just dey vex me.
Thank God. Now woman they talk oh.
Yes, so as I hear her now, say this widow. Now people will know they empowered, now people will know get money. Because if they get money, maybe they go live for their own house. Maybe as their husband die, they don't leave things for them. So now women will not get money. So this goods where they give them, maybe they go they raise up for people house as in the parents. People will not even get money to even parents. Which kind, if you open center where they go learn trade, where we go produce things like this granite, where even we get for lot, where they go help, maybe do peanut and all that, something where we fit even send to other countries. You know better. I think they go there empowered. Even if they don't even want to work for government again, they fit their house to do things. Teach them how to sew. Teach them things where they fit them empowered on their own, where they fit even there for their one room. Do them. They sell. Which one be good? How many months or which way good? Go come get belly before the goat go come born. How much did they even sell one goat if this woman wants sell goat? Now that one go feed them. Which kind of wickedness? Because me as a woman, they pain me as I hear this thing. You know good. Make these governors, make them change for truth. Make they know they do what you look for. And if you hear how much they go sell this goat, now if it be one for maybe 100,000, make God help us for this country. Now,
Madam Emma, you don't, Madam Oga Yemi, you don't hear am now. She don't put another one. Okay, widow. You no get husband, they take care of children. Maybe they live for person house. She dey pay rent, she dey feed them, she dey do some other things. We put all those ones into consideration just because this goat now be the key to solving all the problem. Now woman oh.
See, let me tell you something. You see,
I know this name na very very sweet name, and now all the way from Ebonyi. Oga Love Walter.
Love Walter.
Walter.
Fantastic.
Oga Love Walter. I bet reduce the volume. We hear you. Oga Love Walter.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Love Walter.
Good morning, Oga Yemi.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Love Water.
God is on our side.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I like this program. I like the way you're tackling things. But you know, one thing I want to contribute is that corruption. Hello, are you hearing me?
We dey hear you. We dey hear you.
Corruption has eaten deep into our bone marrow. And, you know, it's just like in our Christian this thing. If you want to do something, you'll be shouting, oh, na Satan work, na Satan work. You know, in that way, you're praising Satan instead of God. I like the way you're tackling things, but if it will be possible, it's just a suggestion. If it will be possible, let us just forget about all this APC, PDP, all these party things. Because the more you call their names, the more you're praising them. We have, I think this is a stage, we have outgrown that stage. Let us face individual, whether they are in APC or PDP. Once anybody commits anything, let us face that person. I'm not saying that the APC is corrupt or PDP is corrupt, because our Oga Buhari don't say that he's for everybody and he's for nobody. So let this politician not be confusing us by using APC or PDP. Anybody who is guilty, we should tackle that person and stop praising them. Because the more you talk, APC say that PDP is corrupt, PDP say that we are praising them and they are getting more grants. Please, if it will be possible, it's just a suggestion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Love Water. Oga Love Water, with his soft voice, he don't emphasize, talk and well. Quickly, we go take Oga Prince all the way from Owerri. Oga Prince, good morning, sir. We dey hear you.
Chukwude, good morning. How are you doing?
I dey fine, Oga Prince.
My own suggestion this month is say, many times we too they look federal government, but we know they take time to watch waiting state, and especially these so-called local government. Now, local government where corruption, they were. Tell me how many local governments where you don't see where don't construct road? Tell me how many local government you go proudly say this thing a big gigantic project where this local government carry and they don't finish them. But every month they get millions of naira. When you go every local government, you go see better road. What did the chairman they do? What did the critical committee, what did they do? They do nothing. That is in a local government mostly, and some of our states where this corruption they do too much. But the problem is that will be federal government. Do you know? If your head know they correct, other part of your body they suffer it. If your head they do you, other part of your body they suffer it. You know, they see in the past say, now if our federal government will be they fight this corruption, they simple, they give account what they do. State go follow. If state they do the same, you go see say local government go follow. But at the end of the day, we began to conclude say all of them no they do well. So waiting with the talk, so make we they look state where. If you see waiting on some of our former governors like Godswill Akpabio, Theodosi, when they in power, if you go see their state, especially other states, see nothing will happen there. And today nobody talk about them. They don't enter our Senate, go relax, don't cover themselves. So we're supposed to check what thing that they do and all that.
Oga Prince, very, very important point that you don't make now. Say, make we not allow people to take advantage of the fact, say, that they lead us, they do us anyhow. We go this break, come back. When we got the break, come back, we will enter the final phase of As E Dey Hot for today. The head go the last bus stop. We will discuss how government, especially state government, for inside this our country, they spend money safe. We dey come back, no go anywhere. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot, the Ogbonge politics discussion show. When give you license to talk as the team be you for body. We get Ogbonge investigative journalist Oga Yemi Olakitan, and we dey discuss very important issue as e get to do with the way when we say people when they represent us for government, they spend the money when belong to all of us. Our phone lines dey open and people dey call to chook mouth for inside this matter. All the way from Owerri, when we take Oga Prince, we go enter Warri inside Delta State, take Oga Roger. Oga Roger, good morning, sir. Oga Roger, good morning. e be like say the network for Delta State don conspire because even when after Oga Lucky talk that thing when he talk say okay even for their own state sef e be like say the governor no e be like say somehow the network convex but nobody fit hold our mouth. We will continue to dey talk am because we get the right to talk the truth and so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action. Oga Yemi, you been dey talk something about those goats. Make we even still look am because na check and balance. But before you talk am, make we enter Benue State. Collect this call from Oga Joseph. Oga Joseph, good morning, sir. I dey hear you, Oga Joseph.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning. Reduce the volume of your television and fire on. Reduce the volume of your television, Oga Joseph. E be like say we don't lose Oga Joseph. We go beg everybody say by the time when you call, I better reduce the volume of your television so that when you dey talk, the full Nigeria go hear you and everybody go get your important points when you want to make. Oga Yemi, another person they call from Benue to revenge the call when we say Oga Joseph no make. Oga Femi from Benue. Oga Femi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning. Oga Femi, the one way you sound like say you get cold. If you like say now all this money wey they talk about, they make fear, they catch.
Like say Oga Femi dey for government.
The thing they give me headache seriously.
We dey hear you, Oga Femi.
This morning, the thing they vex me. My friend Chukudi go remember say I talk am one day say now for capital projects government is still pass. When you do road 1 naira, you talk say you do 200 million. So provided people don't see the road, they don't dissatisfied. They no one know how much you truly build that road.
Very true.
And not there be the root of corruption.
Yes. So
secondly, before now, as in people don't so much like scatter our brain, say PDP na the party of devils, APC na the party of the saints. But see what thing we dey see now. How on earth person go think borrow for that amount? It's too much.
Imagine, no.
Sincerely, it's too much. It's too much. See, it is not like say what they always tell people. Be say this one we Oga Barito say he won't fight corruption. Make it start from your own house.
Thank you, Oga Femi.
Make it start from your own house. When I say your house, your own party. If you feel do this thing to people within your house, then people for other party go fear. They go sit up, say yeah, this my main business. But if they face the other party alone, then you're not doing anything. The corruption there everywhere. Then we must uproot them from every corner, from the local government, from the state government, and from the federal government. Then concerning the Jigawa thing, sincerely, to some extent, I don't say anything way bad for that one. Now, empowerment. Goats born. You feel sell this way the goat born. Goats, they produce milk. We even the year say goat milk better pass cow milk.
Yes, now.
So to some extent, now empowerment.
Yes.
Person will not get job. Fine, if they get waiting goats they chop. Goats don't they chop anything now. And the goats grow up. If you sell them, you know how much you go sell them. You know if you born picking a goat born for, you said before, you get milk from them. So
na grass goats.
Na a way of empowerment too. Na a way of empowerment.
Oga Femi, very important contribution when we say you don't make, and you self don't give your own reason when you believe say. The goat, when we say the Jigawa state government also they won't give women to empower them, a very good thing. Make we take Oga Benjamin all the way from Oga Mohammed all the way from Kaduna. Oga Mohammed, good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, Oga Mohammed.
How is your?
We thank God, Oga Mohammed. I beg, make your contribution.
This is what I want to matter for this morning, but you get this thing where it happen now for Kaduna. Our government now for 2 months into the salary and he not do anything for anybody into the silent, into the pity. I beg more than help us talk something about this issue.
You talk say he no pay salary for 2 months now and nobody give any explanation.
No any explanation. He just they do demolition anyhow.
They demolish everywhere.
Yes.
All the houses, have you seen how illegal people get illegal structure in the demolish now? Oga Mohammed.
Oga Mohammed don't talk his own. He own say make we beg Governor Nasiru El-Rufai the governor of the people, say abeg that 2 months when in the owe, make him pay. And again, make somebody give explanation, make them know, make it not be like say the people when we say never collect their salary when they're supposed to collect, then they in the dark. So we dey appeal to Governor Nasiru El-Rufai according to wetin Oga Mohammed from Kaduna don tell us, and all other governors dem wey dey inside our country say even Bible talk am say a labourer deserves his wages. Say wetin person work for, he go get the money. And people dey talk say na where man dey work, na him dey chop. When you no pay people their salary, na him dey lead to other bad things wey dey happen for society. Because man or woman wey no fit take care of him or herself or the family go do everything to survive. Oga Yemi.
Oga Rufai like demolition too much.
He like demolition.
Na so he do for.
But if na illegal structures, if na illegal.
Well, you see, some of these houses, some of them na family title dem get. They don't get.
Abeg, you no go vex. This our caller, na very important caller. We know they take in call play. Oga Chile, all the way from Bonny. Oga Chile, good morning, sir.
Yeah, Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chile. Thank you, sir.
Visitor. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, yo.
Chukwudi.
Yes.
I just want to check my mouth for waiting we're going to discuss.
We dey hear you.
You see, the type of governors we do have, I don't really blame them. I blame Nigerians. The reason why I blame Nigerians, there is this saying that a country gets the type of leaders they want. You vote for somebody, and you are daily, that person is, you are seeing what he is doing, seeing the type of road he is building, seeing the type of infrastructures he's putting on, that these things is not incommensurate with the amount that he is saying that he is using. And the Nigerians will keep quiet and be looking and be watching. We are having much praise singers now than people who are supposed to holistically look at what they are doing. Just imagine what is happening now. We are living in an era of praise. Everybody is praising Baba Buhari, praise. He is a saint, he is this, he is that. But yet, all that they have promised they want to do, we have not seen anything. We have not seen, like somebody said before, who have you tried for corruption? Who has been arrested? At the end of the day, for the next 2-3 months or the thereabout, we are hearing that we are going to probe. And one person will come out and tell you how many trillion, how many billions that the past administration have stolen. Yet you do not have proof. Yet you have not arraigned anybody. And yet every day, this is not how Nigeria is going to work, for Christ's sake. If you know that somebody has stolen, you don't need to blow trumpet. You don't need to say, I am going to probe. Start doing something. Start probing that person. Because we have our courts. And there is no how you are going to do corruption if you are not going to bring proof. I am not saying that these people are not corrupt, but who is the one that is not corrupt in Nigeria among all these politicians?
Oga Chile, you don't ask very important question. Yes, and we don't say all those when the matter concern for their mind, they go begin to give you the answer. Oga Yemi, thank you very much. Say you carry waka come join us on top of As E Dey Hot. All our callers them, we call us from different parts of this country today to Chukma for this matter. We appreciate una say una keep faith with us. Una continue to dey watch As E Dey Hot and una continue to dey talk am. We no go disappoint una Wazobia TV. We no go disappoint una As E Dey Hot. We'll continue to dey sound down until those when we say the matter concern, they go take the necessary action to move our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. Una bye bye. Oga Yemi, make I shake your hand. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chugudi.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Our people, una do well.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.